with Passion for Savings. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable Coke cash tree. This is a really great gift idea for guys, for teens, for college students, anybody who loves to get cash as a gift. You actually wrap the cash around the Coke cans and then assemble them together in a cute little Coke tree. And you get to choose how much cash is involved. There are actually 11 different Coke cans. So I put $11 on my cash tree, but you can use 5s, you can use 10s. It's completely up to you. And you can mix and match and do maybe a 10 on the top, 5s in the middle, and 1s on the bottom, so that you can customize this gift exactly how you want. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I assembled this together. Okay, to make our Coke cash tree, you're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need a large plate. This is just a metal one I picked up at Hobby Lobby. You're going to need some kind of a plastic or paper cup. This is a clear plastic cup. That's gonna be the center and the base of our tree. Going to need one 12-pack of Coke cans. You're actually only going to use 11 of those. You will need some cash. You will need some rubber bands, and then you will need some cardboard. I actually just used the cardboard from the outside of the 12-pack of Coke, and you're gonna need some hot glue to help assemble this, and then you need some ribbon to tie it all together. So you just take your dollar and your double stick tape and put a small piece on each side of your dollar. Going to secure one side, wrap it around, and secure the other side just by pressing it down. So now we're ready to start assembling our Coke Christmas tree. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to hot glue this cup to the center of my plate. I'm going to use this rubber band, and I'm going to use that to secure all of the Cokes together as well as to the center cup. The next thing we're going to do is start on the second layer of cans. So what we did was we cut out a circle out of the Coke cardboard box, and we're going to glue that on to the cup that's in the center, and then we'll attach our second row to the cardboard. To these three to just help hold them together a little bit more. We're just trying to make sure everything is nice and secure. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is add the last Coke can on top. So I've actually made sure that when I place these, that I had all of the tabs facing towards the back, so that way I wasn't worried about putting hot glue where you're going to later be putting your mouth and drinking. For this layer, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to attach a small piece of cardboard. And then I'm going to add my hot glue for my top can. Hold it in place until everything dries. Once I have my ribbon cut and measured, I'm going to wrap it around my Coke cans and secure with some hot glue. So I'm going to try not to hot glue actually on the Coke cans, and I'm just going to hot glue the ribbon together. All right, for the top can, I'm going to add a much longer ribbon. And I'm gonna leave both of these tails untied, and then what I've done is I've created some bow loops and secured it with a twist tie, and then I'm just simply going to tie that on. And now I have a really simple and easy bow that was easy to make and attached to my top can of my Coke money tree.